Okay, put the boring tools down. Amazon just dropped gadgets so wild, your garage might file a complaint for being outdated. We're talking cordless power, laser-sharp precision, and gear that makes DIY look like cheating. Buckle up. Your next Amazon cart is about to get dangerous. Say goodbye to jagged cuts. The Malco TurboShear turns your drill into a metal slicing machine. Dual rotary wheels self-advance through 22-gauge panels. Smooth, clean, whisper quiet. No impact drivers, no hand fatigue, no drama. Just precision cuts that last job after job. TurboShear. Because your arms deserve a break. Meet the Jamesway Slitter, your metal and vinyl's worst nightmare in the best way. Slice aluminum, steel, brass, copper, even vinyl. Clean, flawless, no rework needed. Adjustable depth and speed mean you're the boss. Lightweight, rugged, ready anywhere. Roofers, DIYers, metalworkers. This tool doesn't just cut corners, it perfects them. Forget brute force. This magnet does the heavy lifting. VEVOR's magnetic lifter hoists 220 pounds like it's nothing, thanks to N42 neodymium power. Twist right, twist left, no sweat, no strain. Chrome hook won't budge. Anti-collision handle keeps hands safe. Steel sheets, rods, plates. Consider them lifted. Literally. Flat tire? No muscle, no meltdown. The SEESII. Electric jack lifts 5 tons at the push of a button. Plug into 12 volts and relax. Loosen lug nuts in 5 seconds flat with the built-in wrench. Inflate tires too. Your trunk's new superhero fits everywhere, saves everyone. Family road trips just got fearless. Guessing angles? So last century, the SOLA digital angle finder nails precision to 0.05 degrees. Bluetooth beams data straight to your phone. IP65 tough, reads in degrees, percent, or millimeters/meters. Hit hold. To lock your measurement, flip the display upside down without flipping out. Accuracy has never looked this smart. Snowmageddon. Meet your maker. The TechnoAlpin TT10 tilts sky-high for tower-level snow, then lowers down for easy servicing. Best of both worlds. RYOBI nucleators guarantee premium snow even at border temps. Energy efficient, fully customizable, zero compromises. Mother Nature's jealous. Winter just got an upgrade it didn't see coming. Your patio called. It wants to look amazing. The Wagner Levaro Powerbrush. Hovers across decks, cordless and grime-free. Built-in sprayer blast cleaning solution. Counter-rotating brushes do the scrubbing. You just steer. 20-minute battery life. Bosch amp share ready. Dirt collected. Patio perfected. Zero elbow grease required. Tapes overrated. The Meite carton stapler seals 50 boxes in minutes. No air compressor, no hassle. Adjustable depth handles thin mailers to thick moving boxes. 100 staple magazine keeps you moving. Transparent window keeps you informed. Made mistake-proof with a built-in staple puller. Packing day just got powerful. Dust? Noise? Not today. The Roberts PRECISIONCUTS. Pro Slices laminate, LVP, vinyl, even cement siding. No power cord needed. Built-in light illuminates your line, angle, or straight up to 5/8 of an inch. Tungsten blade stays sharp for the long haul. One cutter, every flooring job. Cleanly, quietly, precisely done. Bending PVC by hand? Genius, not brute force. The Greenlee heating blanket wraps. Heats past 300 degrees Fahrenheit and softens 2 to 3 inch pipe like butter. Strap it, heat it, bend it. 13-inch radius bends made easy. Built-in stiffeners ensure even heat every time. Electricians, your new best friend has arrived. Underfloor heating installs just got fast. The Eibenstock EHF1400 mils, perfect grooves in wood, OSB, MDF, dust-free. 1,400 watt motor powers. Through with soft start safety. Adjustable guide keeps spacing spot on. Handheld design tackles tight corners. Warm floors ahead, installation headaches, history. Cables, tripping hazards, gone. Leister's vacuum plate. 100-LP tests weld seams cordless, powered by Bosch AM Share battery. 7 hours of freedom. Just 2 kilograms, one hand carry, whisper quiet operation. Low pressure protects thin membranes, constant vacuum guarantees accuracy. Roofers and pool builders testing just got effortless. Fingers, meet safety, the forest master. Splitting axe base keeps hands far from danger while you split logs and kindling like a lumberjack legend. Cast iron toughness, alternating fins bust through knots, no jamming, no electricity, no excuses. Mount it, split it, stack it. Winter firewood, sorted. Trees near power lines? Stay back, way back. The Greenlee remote pruner cuts 2-inch branches wirelessly from 30 feet away on a hot stick. Auto-retracting blade, jam-resistant jaws, 80 cuts per charge. No climbing, no risk, no problem. Precision pruning meets serious safety. Arborists, you're covered. Darkness doesn't stand a chance. The Ecarke LED work. Light blasts 7,000 lumens, runs on your DeWalt battery, and stays cool for 8+ hours straight. 140 degrees tilt, 4-layer safety, USB charging for your phone too. Garage repairs, camping, blackouts. Light up everything, no adapters needed. Crooked picture frames? Banished. The PREXISO angle gauge is 3 tools in one: digital level, angle meter, and laser lines. Precision to 0.05 degrees, magnetic base sticks anywhere, display flips itself. Buzzer beeps when you're perfectly level. Woodworking, plumbing, hanging art, straight lines have never been this easy. Under the car, then up for a break. One tool does it all. RYOBI's creeper, Chacha's seat flips instantly, lights up with 800 lumens. Flood or spot beam. Adjustable headrest, chemical-resistant cushions, smooth rolling casters. Storage bins keep tools close. Runs on 1+ batteries. Garage life just got genius. Working solo? Not anymore. The Faithfull upright clamp is your extra pair of hands. Grips doors, studs, and sheet materials up to 55 millimeters wide. Push, lock, done. Hands or foot, your choice. Mark, drill, plane freely. Sturdy base bolts down for heavy jobs. One-man band, professional results. Your job site just got an upgrade. The Klein MODbox cart rolls smooth on heavy-duty wheels, locks with foot brakes, and sits at perfect working height. Notches steady your cuts, rails hold MODbox pouches, legs hold wire spools, tools organized, hands free, professional chaos finally contained. One stroke? Hold on. The Greenlee stud punch blasts through 20-gauge steel studs with zero guesswork. Auto-centering means it's always on point. Self-stripping design skips the deburring. Aluminum head keeps arms fresh. Tight spaces? No problem. That contoured handle fits right in. Electricians punch and move on. That's a wrap on today's tool lineup. If your jaw dropped even once, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next batch of Amazon gems. Got a favorite from today? Comment below. Until next time, keep building.